He pauses, evaluating, calculating. This cargo box isn't just empty, it's fragile. One wrong step could go right through the floor structure. Yeah, I've got eyes on it. It's a 1940s delivery truck, severe rust. Turn right ahead. The route is unpaved and narrow. Proceed with caution. The winch continues its steady pull. The front wheels begin.
He taps lightly along a previously cleaned section. Solid. He leaves it unmarked, shifts a few inches over. He reaches in with a stiff hand brush. Starts at the top, short strokes, controlled. What cannot be trusted, that gets marked. All failure points identified.
Is compromised. He marks it with chalk.
The arc travels along the seam. The weld bead forms. He pauses free. He positions his body low and stable. One knee down. Both hands locked on the grinder. He aligns the tool flat to the panel.
The rotating disc meets the metal. Rust begins to break away. He runs his gloved hand across the area. The grinder is silent now, the panel fully exposed, bare metal from edge to edge. Everything here is fragile.
He stops, holds the engine suspended beside.
The engine is gone. The space it occupied, now exposed.
Making a difference. He steps back slightly.
He leans closer, observing the internal components, coated in residue. He touches a component lightly, it moves.
He steps back slightly. This is no longer external work. This is deep mechanical restoration. And it has begun. He applies light upward pressure while guiding from above. The piston begins to move. Slow, resistant, but moving. This is full disassembly.
He looks across the engine block. This is the deepest level. The full teardown, complete. From here, everything.
He aligns the boring tool above the first cylinder, checks positioning, adjusts depth, locks it in place.
He tightens the bolts. He rotates the crank slightly. Smooth, no resistance. Exactly as it...
He aligns the piston with the first cylinder, guides it downward. The piston slides in. He guides it into position. He inserts the head bolts, finger tight first. He reaches for a torque wrench and begins.
Once secured, he begins adjustment, valve clearance. He rotates the crank slowly, watching the motion. He inserts a feeler gauge.
Tightens the bolts evenly, ensuring a proper seal. The components are installed methodically. Everything moves smooth and... He positions a fresh gasket and lowers the valve cover into place. He tightens the bolts evenly. He secures line... He begins with fluids, pours carefully, moves to coolant.
That phase complete. Now the body. He pulls the trigger.
A fine mist spreads across the surface, even, controlled. Now the truck no longer looks raw. It looks...
The technician returns to the body, now focused on refinement. Primer alone is...
He steps back and looks across the entire vehicle. He reaches...
He moves slowly, around the outer edge first.
He stops, steps back slightly.
Rust reduced, surface exposed. Now, protection. He applies it to the wheel. The liquid spreads, sealing it.
The engine idles steadily, everything checked, secured, prepared. The truck begins to move, rolling.